Are you looking to purchase your first home or to downsize into a more manageable property or even have your first investment? Well, we have a property for you.
This 3-bedroom villa attracts a generous amount of sunlight in the main living areas as it benefits from large windows to the north. You will also enjoy the ensuite, single garage and a fully fenced, sunny grassed yard area which you have exclusive use of.
You'll be centrally located to schools, clubs, public transport, and as I mentioned, that the beach is only 20 minutes walk away.
Make sure to take this opportunity to live or invest in the growing and increasingly popular suburb of Bellambi. Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt.
And I'm Julia Di Donato from One Agency JD Property Agents, and we would like to welcome you to this terrific villa at 18A Lismore Street, Bellambi.
Thank you for watching and bye for now.